So you just lost your federal job. But what if I told you that pink slip is your golden ticket? What if I told you that the very skills you've developed working for the federal government for many years can now help make you 6, 7, maybe even 8 figures? What if I told you that you don't need to look for another job? Instead, you can sell the same skill sets back to the government as a highly paid contractor. I know this because I've done it. I see talented, hardworking, former federal government employees leaving millions on the table simply because they didn't know this one secret. The government still needs your work, and they will pay corporate entities more than employees to do the same job. I don't understand it. It doesn't make any sense. Now, before you come for me regarding government efficiencies and government regulations, there's a reason for it, but I want you to be in control of your money. I want you to have, do you want your money going towards your retirement? Do you want your money going towards your children's education? Now this can totally be up to you. But today, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why federal workers are perfectly positioned to win big government and corporate contract bids and to help them jumpstart their business. See, number 5, you have insider knowledge that corporate entities are willing to pay for. Now, work with me here. Don't divulge any top secret security information. That's not what this is about. We're not trying to get back at the government, right? What we're trying to do is position ourselves in the best place possible so that we can make the most money possible. And corporations that are seeking to win government bids for the same departments that you may have worked in may be willing to pay you 6, 7, and then sometimes 8 figures to better understand how the government operates so that they can suggest the best solution. See, you already understand the government. You already understand their processes, the tools that they use, their regulations, the expectation. This is something that most businesses struggle to learn. Even agencies prefer to hire former federal employees. Why? Because you can hit the ground running. But I will suggest to you that you offer your services as a contractor. That way, you can work with various corporations and you're not so concerned about winning the bid. You could be on every team. I'm telling you this because I have done it. I worked for a corporate entity that did work for the government. And it took me months to learn to use government tools and to learn government protocols, right? Imagine if they simply hired or subcontracted out a federal employee like yourself who already has full understanding and knowledge of these systems. You can help corporations win and win big, and in doing so, you'll help yourself. Number 4. The government still needs your work. They will just outsource it. See, your job didn't disappear. It just got moved out and into the contracting world. Now, we all know this. Billionaires help billionaires. Let's not act surprised. Let's not act as if this is something that we do not know. I will challenge you. I want to challenge you to find bids corresponding to the work that you've done and submit a proposal. Now, if you don't know how to pull a proposal together or you don't know where to find a bid, I want to invite you to join us for our next Win Big Bid Challenge, where we are gifting ex-government employees an opportunity to join the challenge as a gift for your patriotism and your service to our countries. All of the details are in the description box below. Now, moving on. Government agencies have billions in contracts that need people like you to step in and fulfill the work. Now, number 3, you can make way more than you ever did as an employee. The same job making $100,000 can easily be a $500,000 contract if you position yourself in the right way. Government contractors don't work harder. They just get paid better. See, the difference between a paycheck and a contract is who is the one submitting the invoices. I went from working a job within a corporation. They paid me $68,000 a year. In my first year in business, I made over $320,000. And my story is not unique. This can be your story if you act now. Number 2, you can start today. Even if you've never run a business before. See, you don't need a massive operation. Many one-person businesses win 6-figure, 7-figure contracts every day. See, I can walk you through everything from registering your business to writing a whoosh-winning proposal. See, if you can follow government guidelines as an employee, you can follow them as a business owner. And number 1, close your eyes to what the streets told you. DEI is not dead. Small business contracts gives you an unfair advantage. The government sets aside contracts for small businesses, minority, women-owned businesses, veterans, and more. Many contracts are low competition and are never publicly advertised, but I'll show you where to find them. If you think this message has blessed you, if you're ready to win and win big, look in the description box below and let's get started with your process. This is Alison Etinoff. Get ready to win and win big.